I'm sure I speak for all the participants when I say that all of us have a very wonderful, rewarding, and President's Day in Fiji.
Gentlemen, I'm told that your deliberations so far have been a positive one and has further strengthened our partnership. And I recommend that you begin work with urgency in realizing meeting outcomes of this important deliberations that you have. Like our government, the Colombo Plan is embracing the challenges of the 21st century in meeting sustainable development goals. Development partnerships is an important part of seeing through this vision of having a dynamic and innovative organization such as the Colombo Plan. It is also an important part of Sustainable Development Goals framework, which you are familiar with. An important part of Fiji's foreign policy outlook involves engagement with the Colombo Plan, and we look forward to further developing our friendship with member countries in mutual areas of cooperation. I must congratulate you all on your robust discussions on the issue of climate change. I thank you all for your commitment to the spirits of the Paris Agreement, which my Prime Minister is championing in the region and also globally. Fiji looks forward to the implementation of the outcomes of this meeting, and we are confident in providing our full support. I understand that tomorrow you'll be visiting a small village just under an hour's drive from here, which is known as the Dako village, and is a site of a community-based adaptation program for climate change. It is a prime example of how we can make high-level agreements work in our villages, towns, and cities. It should inspire us to protect our land, oceans, our forests, and our marine life. We could spend most of the time just talking in these discussion rooms, but make an effort to see what the realities are on the field, on the ground, does help greatly in providing a platform for better informed discussion. I believe community-based adaptation to climate change is a highly effective approach. I note that this week, climate change is not the only issue of discussion. The Colombo Plains program reflects the growing priorities of human resource development in areas of environment, small to medium enterprise growth, drug abuse and prevention, gender affairs, public administration, and private sector development. I'm thankful for all your contributions to the various discussions this far. The success of sessions in the last 3 days is largely due to your contributions. We have a lot to learn from each other in this great fellowship of nations. I'm proud of our government's association with Colombo Plain. Only last month, this hotel was abuzz with crowds of Fijians celebrating our national sevens men's rugby gold medal win at the Rio Olympics. It was a moment of great pride for our nation. I also smile with limited resources beating bigger nations in the Olympic Games. We hope you leave our shows with optimism and can-do attitude. Please continue to enjoy our Fijian hospitality for the rest of your stay here in Fiji. And I do hope that you'll enjoy the night. Thank you, Naka.